Well, hello and welcome. I'm Elizabeth, and I'm here today with the posse with the energy message for the week of November 9th. How have you been doing? We have the full moon, we have planets changing, we have sightings that we can identify. All of this energy on the outside. How are you dealing with it? Are you managing it, or are you reacting to it? Oh, well, today we come on to share with you that nothing is wrong with you. What you are feeling is real. Uh, our energy is affected by the planets. Our energy is affected by many things. And what we need to do, or what they're encouraging me to share, is that for this month, for November, it's time for us to become aware first that we are powerful spiritual beings who have the ability to co-create with the universe. That is what it's setting us up to do. But you have to realize that it is through your thoughts, through your words, that allow you or helping you to co-create. So the first thing, people talk about, oh, let me teach you how to manifest. Well, hmm, you are manifesting all the time. What you want to learn to do is to consciously manifest those things that you want, opposed to creating things by default. And so this month, they're suggesting or calling in or pushing me to become very aware as to how I am managing my energy so that I can create those things that you want, because we are totally affected by the intensity, and sometimes we can get lost. So it's important that we are aware, that we can set our GPS, but in order for the GPS system to work, to take us where we want to go, we have to choose to input or put in a destination. So, first thing is become aware of where you want to go. What's your destination for now? For now, not your destination, not some big thing. I can get caught up in the big things, but for now, for this month, and in the closing of this year, 2025, as we are ending a very global, universal year, it is affecting us personally. So, what it's calling us to do, or what I'm doing, is becoming very aware as to how I'm using my energy. Yes, that sounds selfish, but if you don't take care of yourself, you can't take care of anybody else. And when we are becoming aware, that will help us to reset where we're headed. We can actually put in our destination so that we can um, enjoy the journey, opposed to fearing it and fretting it. It is. I'm excited about this new time. And people are saying on the news of all the fear, but I'm really excited about this new opportunity that is opening up to us. And I encourage you to utilize or to name the energy as excitement, you know, opposed to fear and dread. So become aware. And one way that you can become aware of where you're going and what you're doing is by first choosing your destination, choose your destination and keep focused on the destination by actually writing it down. Like when you're in the car, where you're walking on the street, since you can utilize your GPS to, on the bus, on walking down the street. Um, Use your internal GPS, your guidance protection system. They're there to assist us, but they can only assist us if we ask. And in order to ask, we've got to choose. Um, and if you don't know what to ask for clarity. But it is up to us. That's our power of choice to choose what we want. There is no more ceiling. We have broken through. So once you realize that it is through your thoughts, through your feelings, that you create your world, you can choose to create whatever type of world you wish. Please do not allow others to choose for you by utilizing your energy, dissipating it, or utilizing it to grow their fear, their it makes a difference when you utilize your tools. But hey, it's okay to mess up. It's okay to stumble as long as you get up. You're never going to get better if you if you don't allow yourself to be bad. So, I anyway, keep for this, the message is done is better than perfect. You gotta become aware of where your energy is, and your energy is what you're focused on. I put together a checklist of ways that we leak our energy so that if you would like, then this, if you would like a copy of it, um, QR code up in the corner. Go ahead, scan it, and it will help you to identify those ways that perhaps you might be also leaking energy. Um, Trying to be perfect, watching too much news, getting bogged down in other people's problems. Um, when we manage our own energy, it will allow us to achieve more. The green, reminding you everything is energy. You have to learn how to direct yours. And when you do, you can achieve the life of your dreams. May light, love, and plenty of laughter accompany you on your journey. Because if you can't laugh at your mistakes, hmm, may you have a blessed one.